Welcome everyone to my presentation. I'm Kim, a graduate student of Animal and Poultry Sciences at Tuskegee University. The topic of my today's presentation is use of fistulated steers for the service learning project at Tuskegee University. The majority of the students enrolled in animal sciences at Tuskegee University have minimal or no experience of working with the large domestic animals. So that's why we have service learning project here at TU, which is especially designed to allow students to be familiar with the domestic animals and their basic handling techniques. Here, we also have two fistulated steers, and we know that fistulated animals are frequently used for the research and analysis of the ruminant digestive system. So we use this fistulated steers at the cattle unit for the service learning project, and my poster is all about how we use this fistulated steers for the service learning project. The objective of this project were to introduce students with the ruminants and ruminant digestive system and to provide hands-on learning experience for the research activities. And also we wanted to show the students the effect of diets on rumen pH, microbial population, and dry matter of the ruminal content. In this 5 weeks long project, 20 freshman animal science students were participated. They designed a trial to determine the effect of diets on rumen pH, dry matter, and the microbial population. Out of the two steers, the first steers was given a high grain diet, that is 24 pounds of grain mix per day plus free choice hay, and the second steers was given a high forage diet, that is 5 pounds of grain mix per day and free choice hay. Each week the students collected the rumen digesta and they filtered this rumen digesta from the fistulated steers by using the 4-layered cheesecloth and collected the rumen fluid. And we measured the pH of this rumen fluid by using the pH paper, and additionally we also calculated the dry matter of this rumen digesta by keeping the rumen digesta at 110 degrees Celsius for 48 hours in a hot air oven. We also look the protozoa in the microscope and also the bacteria by using the gram staining procedures. Here, uh, here are some of the pictures I have captured while students were doing some different activities during the project. As we had measured the pH value of all of the sample of rumen digesta were ranged from 6 to 7, and the dry matter percentage were 13.62% for the high grain diet and 14.79% for the high forage diet. Here in the graph, we can see the little bit more difference in the dry matter during the last 2 weeks than the earlier weeks, but the differences between the diets for variable measured were not analyzed due to the small sample size. At the end of the project, although no differences were analyzed between the two diets, students had an great opportunity to learn hands-on skill in handling fistulated animals, collecting the rumen digesta samples, gram staining procedures, and many more. And based on their responses, participating students were very positive about the project and would recommend their fellow students to participate in the project. At last but not the least, I want to have acknowledged George Washington Cabot Agricultural Experiment Station, especially the Caprine Research and Education Unit staffs, and also the participating students for making this project successful. Thank you.